Yes, sis. You know, I know. Yes, that's so... Yeah, you go to that restaurant. That's like... Yeah, super sarap. Oh, yeah, I know, right? Yes, okay na doon. Yeah, it's here lang. Sa town lang yun. Go to that place with your family. Yes, I'm sure your husband will like that place.
Hi, Mom. Go to my room now.
Yeah, just call you some other time because I was here. Yep, bye, sis. Now, can you come here? What? Eat your merienda first. I prepared something. And you have to tell me something about school.
Yes, Mother.
So, how was school?
Fine.
Fine? Fine? Anong meaning ng fine? Fine as in masaya? Fine as in okay lang? Or fine?
Ew! Yuck na, please. Sabi ko fine, hindi pangit.
Oh my god, yuck! Your dad used to call me like that. Your dad used to call me fine all the time.
Yeah, well, that was before you abandoned us.
Hey, don't be like that. You really can't blame him. Kung hindi niya na tayo kaya makasama, ano magagawa mo?
We're supposed to be a family.
Yeah, we're supposed to be a family. Pero kung may iba na siyang babae, ano magagawa mo? Ano magagawa na? And besides, it has its benefits.
What benefits?
Well, I got you all to myself. Kinikilig naman yung anak ko.
Ma, stop it. You're so annoying.
Annoying.
Ma, I need help.
Yan tayo eh. What do you need?
I need a prom date. Well, okay, I know this girl, but I'm afraid to make moves on her, but I'm even more afraid to be dateless at prom, so...
So, tell me about this girl.
Well, you know, she has hair.
I hope so, huh? I hope so.
Well, she's been my classmate for 3 years now, but I only saw her like this recently. Cause I don't know. She's always, how do I say this? She's always glowing. It's like whenever I see her, she's either smiling or laughing. Plus, she's so nice pa. She teaches me when I don't get the lesson, and it's the farthest thing from boring. Cause she's so funny. Sometimes nga I pretend not to get the lesson so that she'll talk to me eh.
Pero, maganda ba siya?
Of course! Wala pang makeup yan ah. I think. Basta, there's just something different about her. But what if she says no?
Ay, nako. You know, your dad is my prom date.
Si Dad na naman.
Just listen na. You know your dad is my prom date. And he asked me the sweetest day. I really felt happy with him. We both thought that it would last forever, but where are we now? He has his own family and I have mine.
Your point?
Well, my point is, prom is just another night in high school. Yes, it's this huge thing, but it's not the only thing. What you are in that night isn't what defines you as a person. So, don't be afraid. Just go for it. If she says no, then it's a no. If she says yes, then good for you. Huh? You still have the rest of your life waiting for you. I have my own regrets from high school. But that's just the way life works. You really can't plan everything perfect. Anak, YOLO. Huh, son? YOLO! YOLO! just like
Wow. YOLO. Deep yan ah.
I know. Well, sige na. Go back to your room and I'll prepare dinner.
Yes. Sige, thanks ma. See you later.
Yeah.
Grace, will you go to prom with me? I know to you, we're just friends, but can you please go to prom with me?